It's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, doors and push button start proximity key, power tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,